I'm here with Dan Brown with Outside TV. And Outside TV is always outside, filming results, everything from surfing events to hiking and conservation things. So it's awesome to have you here in Vail with us this morning. Good morning.
Good morning. We're very excited to be here, and for quite a few years we've been out here producing the games, and we love kind of being a part of the whole activity here in Vail.
Awesome. So tell us a little bit, are you guys here filming some of the events here for Outside TV? What is Outside TV's role in the GoPro Mountain Games this year?
So yeah, we produce a lot of the events, shooting and capturing the content, and then distributing it on our network. So everybody can kind of enjoy this that unfortunately can't make it to the games here in Vail.
I'm sure you've met a lot of interesting people here at the Outside TV booth. So what are you talking to people about who stop by and visit you?
Yeah, so at the booth here, we're giving away a few cool different prizes. We had 2 bikes we handed out over the weekend, and today, for the last day, we're handing out a TCL Roku TV, 55-inch. So anybody that stops by, they can download what we have is a Campfire by Outside TV app. They create a channel, and they're entered to win automatically, and we'll hand that out at 5 p.m. today.
Tell me about the app. It's called Campfire if I wanted to find it online?
Yep, Campfire it's a platform for adventurers to come and share their video content of them doing adventure sports, and we give away different prizes throughout the month for people submitting their videos and showing us how they get outside and live the adventure lifestyle.
I love that. So I have a bunch of boys, and so they're all super adventurous, and they actually like to make videos and edit them. So anyone can create a video and put it on your app, and you can look at other people's videos as well?
Yep, you could follow other adventurers. There's some professional athletes in there as well. You upload and share your video and follow other people, watch their videos. You could choose the category you'd like to watch, or just kind of watch what's being uploaded in real time.
That's so fun. And you guys are nationwide. And so this is, I'm assuming, videos of everything from fly fishing to surfing to biking.
Yeah, every category kind of gets touched. Like you said, surfing, a lot of biking, to just camping and hiking, enjoying being outside. So it's everything across the whole spectrum of the outdoor lifestyle.
So if you're here at the booth and it's a little bit quiet, are you checking out videos? Have you seen any GoPro videos uploaded onto the app yet?
Yeah, so we did a whole contest with the GoPro Mountain Games called the Ultimate Mountain Dog Contest. So we had people submitting videos of their dogs on adventures with them. So we had a winner come out to the games and join us here. So yeah, we're checking out the videos as people are downloading and enjoying the weekend and shooting content here on their phones.
Very cool. And you're in a really fun location to come and check this out because you're right beside the Solaris Plaza where all the slack lighting is. So it's an easy place to find you guys to come and visit Dan here. And very cool. And Outside TV is based off of Outside Magazine, isn't it?
Yeah, we're very similar. Obviously share the same branding and the same category. We're all video content. They're the magazine. So we're available basically on any device that you have. You can find the app Outside TV Features, and it's free to download. It's any streaming device you have, you could basically find us and watch it. So if you're done reading the magazine, you can download our app and watch all the cool content we have.
Well, come check it out, find out a little bit more about the app, and maybe you can win a new TV to watch Outside TV. Yeah. So stay with us. We're going to have a check of the local weather next.
This Weather and Mountain Report is brought to you by